Hi, it's Tony Verhoeven with CSIA. Just wanted to take a couple minutes and show you the CSIA Exchange. It is a site that is aimed at automation and control system engineering clients. If you're a client that needs to automate your process or manufacturing, this is a great site to find qualified system integrators. We also have suppliers listed on this site as well. So many of the manufacturers and companies that system integrators work with are also listed here as well. On this site, you'll find a community and answers section where you can ask questions of system integrators, and you can also research them ahead of time prior to contacting them in our automation library. Here, this is where you'll find case studies, white papers, project profiles, videos, anything that they publish to differentiate themselves from their competitors, and you can read about several successful project implementations and automation implementations that they've done in the past. So I encourage you to explore the website to find qualified system integrators. Let's try to find a system integrator based on a hypothetical situation. I can click on Find an Integrator, and I come down here and I can filter down to qualified system integrator. You can see that we have nearly 1,300 system integrators that are listed here. Some of these are members, some are not, and so you can make the choice on who you contact. If you look here, you'll see the first 20 of 1,300, and you can look at and contact any of these folks here. In fact, you can click in any one of these profiles and do further research. So here you'll see a micro website of each of our system integrators, and you can contact them. You can also look at some of the things that they've published. Maybe they have a local branch, and you can do a little research on them before you contact them. But you may want to filter this down to maybe a handful of system integrators that are pre-qualified, that you know that do the work that you require. So let's do that. First, let's find an integrator that is in the area that I want to meet them in. So if my plant is in Pennsylvania, let's look at that, Pennsylvania. Now I have 41 integrators listed in Pennsylvania. I have the first 20. Well, let's get a little more deeper than that. Let's actually look for all integrators that do consumer products. And now I'm listed with 4. So I have 4 system integrators that have listed themselves as having expertise in consumer product integration. So that's how you do that. And then once you have a list of integrators that you know that you want to possibly talk to, you can click any one of these. So let's click on this one right here. And again, I can do more research about who they are. I can read articles and case studies that they've posted here. I can look at and contact their staff directly. And finally, if I'm ready to contact them here, I can also contact them through their profile, and they will get an email. That's how you use this CSIA Exchange. This is the CSIA Exchange, find an integrator, and find a supplier functionality. The supplier functionality works identically to the find an integrator functionality. On our industries page, you can search for system integrators that serve a particular industry. Simply go to About, CSIA, and click on Industry Served by System Integrators. Here, you'll click on food and beverage or automotive or any industry served here, and that will bring you to a landing page that will describe the industry and how system integrators are serving that industry, and then ultimately will take you to a list of system integrators that are filtered to a particular industry listed here. If you need help finding a particular system integrator or filtering a list, I'd be happy to help you. You can click on Find a System Integrator, click on Help here, and fill out a form, and you'll get help from me within 1 business day. Or if you see this little chat window down here, simply click on it here, and I will be on the other end of it and happy to help you as well. So let's take a look at the industries pages. Let's click on oil and gas, for instance. And that brings us to a industry landing page. And here there is a little bit of a write-up on how our members serve the oil and gas and petroleum industry. And you can, again, ask for help from me, and I can help you find a particular system integrator. You can ask for help here from me, but you can also search for integrators that help with oil and gas and petrochemical automation. Simply click on that, and this will take you to a list of system integrators that have tagged themselves with oil and gas. And here we have list of 1 through 20 out of 122. If I want to filter down by a particular area, let's say Houston, here I have 12 oil and gas system integrators located in Houston, Texas that specialize in this industry. That's how you do it, and you can use the industry pages here located under the About page, or you can use the filters listed here. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching. Take care.